which part of your body is the dirtiest. It might surprise you, and you probably don't clean it enough. Stay tuned because at the end of this video, I'll tell you how to get rid of it forever. Even though you shower every day, this small spot can collect dead skin, sweat, hair, and even tiny crystals. Scientists found thousands of different bacteria living here. Some you won't find anywhere else on your body. Some people even discover lint balls, microscopic dust, and unusual microbes hiding inside. It's like a tiny secret world living on you right under your nose. This tiny part of your body is called your belly button, a scar from your umbilical cord at birth. Everyone's belly button is different. Some are innies, some outies, and some very unusual shapes. Its structure makes it easy for bacteria and dirt to hide, especially if it's not cleaned properly. And yes, if you don't clean it regularly, it can even start to smell like cheese or sweat. Researchers have studied belly buttons from all over the world. Some people have bacteria that live only in their own navel. Completely unique. Imagine a microbial jungle living right inside your belly button. Pretty crazy, right? Cleaning it is simple. Use a cotton swab with mild soap and water. Gently clean the inside. Rinse and dry completely. Do this regularly and you'll keep this tiny ecosystem under control. So now you know. Your belly button is small, but it's surprisingly full of life. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss our next videos. We have lots of tips and facts to help you stay healthy and informed.